Having trouble with your Tesla app's billing address? You're not alone. This issue usually stems from discrepancies between your entered address, your device's region settings, and your card issuer's policies. It can also be caused by outdated app data. Here are the most common reasons for billing address issues. We'll walk you through the most common reasons and how to troubleshoot them. Here's an example of what you might see in the app. First and foremost, ensure you're running the latest version of the Tesla app. Tesla frequently releases updates that address billing glitches. Head to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and check for available updates. Version 5.8.2, released in November 2025, specifically targeted several billing issues, so make sure you're on at least that version. Sometimes outdated data stored by the app can cause conflicts. Clearing cache and data gives you a clean slate and forces the app to sync with Tesla's servers. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find the Tesla app, and tap Storage. First, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Then tap Clear Data to reset the app completely. On iOS, go to Settings, then General, and iPhone Storage. Find the Tesla app and select Offload App to clear data while keeping the app icon. Alternatively, you can delete and reinstall the app for a complete reset. Double-check that the billing address in the Tesla app's settings precisely matches the address registered with your credit card company. Even small differences, like missing apartment numbers or abbreviated street names, can cause payment processing to fail. In the Tesla app, navigate to your account settings to view and edit the billing address. Make sure every detail matches exactly, including zip codes and country. Also, ensure your device's region setting is set to the same country as your billing address. This is found in your phone's general settings, not within the Tesla app itself. On iOS devices, check Location Services in Settings. While location access isn't directly the region setting, it can affect payment processing for location-based restrictions. On Android devices, go to Settings, Location to ensure location services are enabled and the region matches your billing address. This helps prevent geo-restrictions during payments. A region mismatch between your device and billing address can trigger geo-restrictions that block payments. Always verify both the app's billing address and your phone's region settings are consistent. First, ensure your credit or debit card hasn't expired and that you have sufficient funds available for the transaction. Some card issuers may flag international transactions or require additional verification, especially for prepaid cards. This can cause payment rejections even with correct billing addresses. Also, confirm that your card is accepted in your region. American Express, for instance, has region-specific limitations in some areas. Consider adding alternative payment methods like PayPal, which may bypass some direct address verification issues and provide more flexibility. If you're in the EU, VAT requirements can sometimes cause billing address failures, especially when purchasing subscriptions like full self-driving. A temporary workaround, though unconfirmed by Tesla, is to temporarily change your device's region to the US, process the payment, and then switch back. Keep in mind that this is a user-suggested solution and might not always work. For users in Asia-Pacific regions like Japan or Australia, contact your bank to ensure international payments are enabled. If you've tried all the above steps and the billing address is still not working, reach out to Tesla support. The fastest way is usually through the in-app chat feature. Alternatively, call your regional Tesla hotline for manual verification. Resolution times typically average 24 to 48 hours, so be patient and provide them with as much detail as possible about the issue. Tesla is actively working on improving its billing system. Expect to see more AI-driven support within the app, potentially including chatbots that diagnose billing issues in real time. The company also aims to standardize payment processes globally to avoid region-specific errors. In the future, look for features like biometric verification, such as fingerprint payments and expanded cryptocurrency options, which could significantly reduce address-related problems. Stay tuned for quarterly app updates focused on payment security.